towards the plenum. So this thing over here, this little guy is what's making that sound. This is the zip tube, your intake tube, and this guy will stick and make that horrible gurgling, slurping noise, and it just pretty much amplifies through this BS. So go ahead, remove the zip tube. It's fairly easy to remove. And unplug the connector. You got two 8mm right here and then one underneath. Either of these socket wrenches will do, preferably something with a 3-inch extension because the bottom one is a little hard to get to and no room for a big boy in there. This little guy right here is going to be your plastic breather. Sometimes they do come off, sometimes they don't. So you're going to have to remove this vacuum hose if you don't have a 3-inch extension like my dumbass. Alright, that's off. Now I can get to the 8mm. Once you break them loose, you can pretty much pull them out finger tight. They're super loose in there. And they are some long suckers. Look at that. It's ridiculous. There's no need for that. So don't fall. Long suckers. And there's the gasket. And your IAC, idle air control valve. So that little valve in there loves to get stuck when these age, because most of the time they're cheap Chinese crap. Even the Motorcraft ones are the same. So go ahead and throw this away, replace a new one, or you can clean it. So it really helps if you have a 3-inch extension to remove those ridiculous bolts. This vehicle is a 2002 Crown Victoria.